Why ESL endorsement is important? I'll give you two practical answers. First, it never hurts to learn new things. To get ESL endorsement, you have to go through the classes, and there are a lot of requirements and then assignments. And in the process of doing that, you learn new perspectives, and you can experience what it feels like to be in the situation that you never experienced. Second of all, it's really helpful to get a job. I'll give you one example. I already got a job, but I received a phone call from Virginia School District that they want to interview me. Since I already got a job, I asked them, okay, I already got a job, but can I ask you a question? So what qualification did you like on my resume? And then they said, oh, because you had an ESL endorsement. Did I answer your question?
Yes.